Hello everyone. So today actually I have opened my new deck. Okay, so I wanted to do a reading for you all. This is the deck I have opened today. It has been lying with me for a long time, but I opened and so I saw there was a spread. So I thought let me do a spread. It I just hope it resonates with you all. So the first thing is present day. Okay, now present day here is the Two of Pentacles. I feel that whoever is seeing this reading today is trying to manage finances in the present situation. Like, I have to handle my income and my expenses. Sometimes income becomes less, expenses become more, and sometimes expenses become less and income becomes more, but handling is becoming a difficult. It's more like, a lady. If you see here a lady dancing, not knowing how to handle, but she is strong, she is holding on, so she knows she can definitely do it. So right now, your journey right now is where you're worried about your finances. Now let's see what the second card is about. Past influences. Okay, so maybe in the past you have been worried a lot for money, worried as to what to do for finances, and most of the times it has been that whatever hard work. Now here, if you see here, Six of Pentacles, in other cards maybe something else. Here I feel that there is money, but what you are doing for your hard work, you are paid only very little. So maybe in the past also you feel, I have never been rewarded for my work. Now this doesn't need to be only money. In any sort of work, you have never been rewarded and you're upset that people are not valuing your worth. They're not valuing what you do for the society. They're not valuing what you are really working hard towards. They are just bothered about how they can make profit out of you or how they can use you. Now the third card is subconscious influence. Inside your heart of heart, what is your influences? It's a good card. Basically, maybe inside your heart of heart, you're just wanting things to change. Somewhere inside your heart, you keep telling yourself that no, I'm sure things will change, I'm sure everything will happen. But again, if you see here, that you are waiting to see when it is happening. So maybe if you stop thinking of when only will my time change, and when you start working as, yes, my time is changing and my time is changing for good, change that affirmation. Maybe somewhere you're saying, when only will the time change? Instead say, things are becoming better and good things are coming in my life. And in that ways, what will happen is your time will change and you will be blessed with lot of positiveness and with a lot of blessings around you. Now what does the fourth card talk about? Secret desires. This is what you secretly desire. It's a beautiful card. Maybe you secret desire that wish you were this child again, who could enjoy life, who could just be happy under the moon, under the sun, and just live your life the way you want to live. That is what is your secret desire. You wish to be free from all the troubles, from all the worries. You wish to be free from all that is putting you down and creating a rift in your mind and creating so much of chaos and confusion in your lives. Now let's see what the fifth card is. Hidden forces. What is the hidden force? Maybe you are on your own, stopping yourself or not facing the reality. You have a hidden trump card with you. You are only worried about unnecessary thought processes. Let go of those thought processes and try to move forward in life. Try to understand that life has to move ahead. Somewhere when I see this card, this is basically the Four of Swords, what we say in our what do we say in our general card readings. It's a Four of Swords. But when I see this card, I just feel that this person, whoever for whomever we are doing the reading, so I had to put a pause, sorry, for whomever we are reading, you need to rejuvenate yourself, re-energize yourself, and come back with a pushing force, come back with a strong force that yes, I can do it and I will do it. Now let's see what is the sixth one. Events yet to come. So these are the events that are yet to come in your life. Now that's a beautiful card. A lot of money is going to come in your life. Yes, though you will have to. Now if you see this card, the card means that you have to work towards it. You have to plan. Here I feel a game of chess is nothing but mind work. So put your mind at work, see what all you can do and see how things can change. When I see this card, I don't know, prominently for me the moon is shown. So maybe within the next moon cycle, you will start seeing improvised situations around you. Here I would like to say, Start burning a green and a red candle every day. I feel guided to tell you this. It can be a normal tea light candle, it can be a normal plain candle also, but a red and a green candle every day. And also, if possible, carry a amethyst with you. Carry an amethyst with you and keep it with you, for change, for divine protection and for divine blessings with you. And also, if possible, have a bath with rock salt and a little bit of cinnamon, not cinnamon, I would say rock salt and bay leaf. Mix them, heat them, boil the water and strain that water and add it to your bathing water and have a bath with it every day till the next moon cycle. When I say next moon cycle, it means the next upcoming full moon, not the Amavasya, whenever is the next full moon. Keep doing till that. I'm sure things are going to change and a lot of good things are going to come. A lot of positive energies are going to come. Now let's see what's the card 7 for. It says about surrounding environment. What it is that you're surrounded with. You're surrounded with a lot of good things. Affection, love, positive things. But you are wondering whether this affection which is coming to you is genuine or not. Everything when we doubt, it is not going to work. So I would suggest just be happy with what you have. But if you see here, the lunar goddess is behind you. She is blessing you. She is giving you white light, saying that I am there brightening your life. So don't worry about what is there. The moon goddess is there with you. Now let's see the 8th thing. 8th is about influence of others. So how are others influencing you? Okay, this card comes for a mentor. Take the suggestions or take the influence only of your mentor or a person whom you take as guru. And if you don't have a guru or a mentor, then ask your mother. Take guidance from your elder sister or from your mother. Take guidance from an elderly person, and then I feel things will change. Though the card looks like white moon and the dark moon, it's more like full moon and the no moon according to me. But I feel things are balanced and nothing is going to happen. Influence will be there, but if you seriously feel the need of guidance, then ask the person who you feel will guide your life and will change your life. Now let's see what's the next card for. The next one is for spiritual forces. What are the energies around us? Okay, now this is a card where you feel hurt. Maybe because of all the financial stress, financial issues. Whenever you feel like sitting for meditating, you're not able to meditate. Whenever you feel like sitting that God is blessing you and you should grow in life, that is not happening. Whenever you feel that you need to start moving forward in life, it is not happening, which is again somewhere hitting you and putting you down. But let me tell you one thing. Never ever give up in life. Now here, if you see, maybe right now there is no love, there is no affection for you, and everywhere you feel as if there's a deep storm which is hitting you from inside. But determine the pain, pull out the swords. You are strong enough. Pull out the swords, and I'm sure things are going to come in your favor. And that's the last card for today. I hope you all are enjoying this reading, and that is the final outcome. So before I take this card, I would say like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel so that you can know whenever I bring in. This is just a surprise for all you beautiful, amazing, ardent followers of mine who keep leaving messages in my YouTube regularly. And yes, I want to say one thing here. I have been noting down of people who have been regularly leaving comments on my video, and I'm planning to bring in a surprise. A surprise will be where most of you all know that I charge quite a good reading charges, but I am bringing in for people who are commenting on my videos for the past 2 weeks regularly, and I will be seeing for the next 2 weeks regularly, who comment and like my videos on a regular basis. I will be bringing a 15-minute reading as a gratitude for them. I will be selecting 3 people out of the whole bunch. So let's see who those lucky 3 will be. Okay, outcome. That's a beautiful outcome. Knight of Wands. I know you must be wondering, the card doesn't look nice, and why is Pinky ji saying that it's a beautiful card out there, and why does she say it's a beautiful outcome? Okay, so I don't know how many of you all over there have done the card reading or have learnt cards, but when you see the Knight of Wands, it actually means a journey which will begin. Some people say this is more like it looks like there's a trouble. No, this is a card which says you are ready to face any troubles that is coming your way. You're ready to to face the conflicts of life, because here when I see this card, I feel you have made your decision that you're going to go ahead, you're going to hit the dark force away from your life, and you're just going to jump over it, and then you're going to move ahead in life. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Do take care. Do like the video. Leave a like, leave a comment whether you liked it. If possible, I'll bring in such surprises more. And God bless you all. Have a blessed life ahead. Thank you.